In this video, we'll look at how SLURM clusters on bare metal servers with GPUs can be provisioned using Rafay. So the end user logs in into the Developer Hub portal and clicks on the SLURM card, gives it a name, selects a workspace where they would like to deploy the cluster, and then decides if they want to enable a login node or not, and the number of nodes with GPUs in it. And they hit deploy. That's it. In a few minutes, the entire environment is deployed and the user is provided with credentials that they can use to access the Slurm cluster running on the cloud provider. In this particular example, we have an L40 based GPU server that we'll be using behind the scenes. Now let's access our Slurm cluster using SSH, and we'll be using the login node to try and issue some commands. So let's SSH to our, using our credentials, let's SSH in. And as you can see here, we are in. Now let's use scontrol command and look at the nodes. And as you can see here, the details that we have two nodes and one of them has a GPU. Now let's use the scontrol slurm command to look at the partitions enabled on the system. Now let's run a slurm script. And in our example, it's going to be a simple Python script where we're going to generate some factorial values. And let's create that file using VI, and let's submit it using sbatch. And there we have it. It's been submitted. Our batch number is job 88. Now let's look at our queue. As you can see, our queue is still running. It's been running for the last 5 seconds. Now let's use the saccount command to see the status of that. And as you can see, it's completed. And we can look at all the log files and the outputs using the cat command. So there you have it. Provision and use a Slurm cluster using Rafay.